Hey Tube, I'm sorry again that it's been a while, but today I'm going to be reviewing the helicopter toy, and they could also transform into a T-Rex. So it just looks like a normal helicopter toy that could transform, I'm guessing, but there's a lot of hidden buttons. Can you spot them? Yeah, right there. So, this one right there, when we press it, oh yeah. So first I'm going to show you how to turn it on. It's right there underneath. Then when we turn it out.
This is Blister to ground control. Do you copy?
And so now we're going to press this. And then we also have the guy there. And when we press it, there. And the next one is like a little exclamation mark. So that one
This is a rescue mission.
see, he just says the thing. And then there's lighting. That just lights up here. See, there's a light right there, and then I just pressed that. So yeah, that's when you press that. And there's also this when you press it, the wings go flappy. Get it? Okay. And then you could also change it. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to change it. So you take the wings, scoop, squump, and then, see this part? You pull it, and then like that. Then it's going to make it kind of like this. And then here, pull this part. Like that, and then you put the wings in there, and then if you want, you could put this here, and then here you bust that like that, and then you put the feet like that, and then bust. And then the guy changes. So, yeah. And then if you press this, listen. You can hear like animals that are firing stuff. And there's also, tires so that I could walk, I'm guessing. See, like that. And yeah, so it has a lot of noises, and you could, oh yeah, I forgot about the hands. There, you go like that, and then you go, whoops, you go like that, and then you pull, the hand is always hard. Like that, and then the other one, the same exact thing. And then there you go. So, yeah. That's that was, my, dinosaur and, helicopter changing toy, transformation toy. Review, so yeah. And by the way, I'm going to go back to the Bean Boozled challenge. If you want to see that one again, please leave one more thumbs up. It just needs one thumbs up, and then I'm going to redo it, because I need 5 thumbs up to redo it, and there's 4. So, yeah, have a good day.